Hello, in front of me I've got Tecno Camon 18p. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings, enter security, and now go to screen lock. Confirm with your current screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of passwords: non-swipe, pattern, PIN and password. Let's start with none, and we are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Now let's select swipe, and now let's select PIN. Next, let's select password. And in the end, let's select pattern. Now we can go to biometrics, and first let's set up fingerprint. Add fingerprint, and now scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor by tapping it multiple times. Each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. The fingerprint sensor is located on the power button. Tap finish, and now you can unlock the phone using the fingerprint. In the end, let's go to face unlock and roll face, and now scan your face in the front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.